Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm about to do a lifestyle vlog, I guess. People say they want to see me do lifestyle stuff. I don't really have anything that's like that important lifestyle wise, I guess. So I live a regular life, but I'm about to do laundry. I'm gonna wash the car because it's really dirty, and then I'm probably gonna see what my friends are doing and then meet up with them. Okay, so just put the clothes in the washing machine. I'm about to go get some almond milk or oat milk and then pour up some cereal. My exhaust just fell again. Bro! I kid you not. Bro, I don't have any luck with this exhaust, bro. This shit is so annoying. So exhaust is back on. I literally just tossed it up and put it back inside the hanger. But yeah, I definitely need to get a better hanger setup because this hanger setup sucks, as you can tell by this being like my second time with the exhaust falling off. The car's in the air now because I keep hearing this weird sound, so I just want to check all the bolts, make sure everything's tight and whatnot. But yeah, you see how things just went from me doing laundry to going to go get breakfast. This is the regular car guy's life. You can't enjoy anything. I did change my fit because I didn't want the other outfit that I was wearing to get dirty. So yeah, welcome to the life of a car guy. So now I'm gonna check bolts, make sure everything's tight, then wash the car, then go eat cereal. I haven't even eaten yet, and I've been up for a good while now. So I found some, guys. I know over here is rusty, but look, these bolts are these are my trailer alarm bolts and they're loose. I'm about to tighten these guys up. I should put Loctite on them, but I don't have Loctite at the moment, so I'm just gonna tighten them up. I didn't check the driver's side, but it might be cooked over there too. So I'm gonna tighten them up and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. I finally put the clothes in the dryer. I'm about to go to Family Dollar right now, get some milk, and then eat cereal, and then wash the car. And it took me like 20 minutes to check bolts and put an exhaust on. That's crazy. Got my milk and some Golden Crust beef patties. Ugh. I'm making a mess. Oh. Captain Crunch about to bust. Alright, so this week coming up, I'm going to get side skirt clips so I can put the side skirts on. And what else? What else am I gonna get? Rear main seal, because my rear main seal is leaking, and the transmission seals, and I probably might change the slave cylinder again. And then hopefully next week I can get a windshield. And then after that's done, I'm gonna be doing more car meet stuff. I'm going to car meets, vlog car meet stuff. The car doesn't really look the best right now without the side skirts, and the windshield kind of annoys me, so get that fixed, and then we could do car meets and drive the car more and all that stuff. Especially with the oil leak. The oil leak is the worst, because like I'll be driving, and then when I like come to a stop, all the oil like when that hits the exhaust is just smoking up, and like I'm breathing it in, and it's like killing me because I got asthma. It's a worm. This is my first time seeing a worm in years. What the hell? Alright, so I just finished up laundry, just finished washing the car, Sean's hair. I'm about to head out. This is what I got: a Palace shirt on, some Target pants, and some Supreme Air Maxes. This is the drip for today. She's clean now. Hello.
Oh shit.
It's Vegas. It's a good blonde guy. Oh! Look, Adrian's rocking. Yo, I deadass got that. I deadass got that. I'm just at the corner store. I got a sandwich and some snacks. Adrian sipping on a watermelon soda. Random city sightings. SV. There wasn't much to it. Good. We finally made it to the beach after so long. Sean wants to go in this dirty ass water. Holy shit, guys.